gonna try to get his pound of flashing and his nectarine today. Yeah, I hear you. Comes at you quick. 500 cost me 15. We're back here. Woo. Man, pulling in looks a little bit better. I was like, oh wow, who's so much doing some dirt work? It's K-Dog. So yeah, we're back. I tell you, this job kind of got me. I don't know. There's just no plan of attack. Customer was on me, kind of pushing me to get here. So that whole side there, got with them. I'll leave that open until Friday. I need to start working my way, you know what I mean? And there's just so many, I don't know. I don't think they were 100% ready, but they thought they might be. I want to start working my way, getting everything going this way, cleaned up, and then work around the back of the house and figure out what needs to be done. I just can't stop my schedule. But we'll get it. Today I think we're just going to try conquering this hill, get all the rocks, get this looking good, get this somewhat looking good, get this kind of looking good. I can't backfill that. I got unit 1 here with me, and I got you guys with me, so it's 2 good combinations, right? Unit 1?
Yeah.
He says right. Raju. All our surrounding county just put a burn ban in effect. No burning. This is all the crap I scraped off that hill. Man, whatever those weeds are, it just destroys my, I guess, allergies or whatever the hell it is. This is so steep, I really don't want to walk around it. I'm gonna have to move the truck. See, just having Carleato for that, putting the binders and shit away, I think it's a good thing. Just to bang the rams for me. That's why I bring them along. Start chipping away on this section here, getting all these rocks out. Set them over here so I can grab them with the 275. I brought Carleato some of the devil's nectarine today. And everything's just so cobbled up. Like this driveway's all high. They just came, dropped gravel, and didn't really grade it out. I guess that's the kind of work you get when you hire the Amish, because I don't know if they do it cheap or whatever, but work's not quality, like the concrete and all the other stuff. I'll see you in court. The size of these suckers. If Idaho was here, man, he'd be drooling. Look at them things. How in the heck did they dig through them? I always say these freaking mountains and hills weren't built out of topsoil. Look at that. I tell you, that thing there, for the size and class, that son of a gun is a hoss. Things never let me down. When we were digging those tanks, man, they were like shit. Bet they were 8 foot deep. We hit solid rock, and oh, I didn't even show you guys that. Yeah, on that septic, that last one, them 2 tanks. It took me 3 hours to dig the hole, and that thing we hit solid rock. It was stressful. Always stressful. Concrete, when you got to get ready for something, like ready for the tanks and stuff like that, it's always stressful. I hate that. I hate that feeling. Look at that one. He's going to try to get his pound of flesh, ain't he? He's all ready to fall back. That's when he'll come back, when I'm dropping back like that. Here's where I'm dropping him, right down over this hill. I think I'm going to have to get some dirt and then cover all this. Speaking of some excavator I inquired about a 315. I don't even know where it was. East Coast somewhere, and the guy keeps messaging me, asking me if I've sold mine or whatever. He's trying to sell mine for me. I don't think anybody's really buying much right now. I know we ran our side-by-sides to the auction. My buddy's got his dealer's license, and I think my side-by-side got up to 13,000. So did his. This is a double turbo Razor 4-seater. Yeah, I don't think anybody's spending any big stuff right now. See, I told you. The lady said just push those logs over the hill. When they do these, they think, oh yeah, we're gonna cut some cedar logs. We're gonna make some siding out of it. Never happens. All that shit just ends up in the way. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on my truck. I'm gonna take it home and feed the central boiler. I don't really need it, but it's here, might as well, instead of just pushing over the hill and make more of a mess. You know, and then we can always just, you know, when we're taking home, one of them probably fly off and go through a windshield or something. So our risk to our reward, we gotta up that a little bit. Might as well get paid to get firewood. Oh my God. So here's how I always do it. I bang these chains. This is the longest one in the damn trailer. I lay this down like so. Then I lay the logs on there. Then I wrap it and I'll pull it off with the dozer at home. It's already starting to look better. What the hell's that noise?
What?
I don't know, something's growling.
Oh, it's my phone.
There goes somebody's hopes and dreams. They had big hopes and they were gonna probably do a cedar cabin or cedar siding or something. When I bought my house, it had all cedar, like, you know, first thing I did, I ripped that shit out. Nothing speaks to you like an old person like cedar siding or closet. I'll tell you what, that's the whole of damn death right there, because you don't know. That son of a gun is steep, and you just go off it, man, that'll get you killed. That'll get you heaven bound. You got to watch that shit. But look at that. They said put all that stuff down there. It looks like crap, but I don't know. They're gonna have to get somebody. I don't know. Juice ain't worth the squeeze. Well, here's where we're at, man. It's getting there. We're getting it roughed in. This is the most barrenest piece of crap property I've ever worked on. As soon as you dig down, it's just rock. I mean, that just beating and banging you. I really need my dozer here, but man, this drive up, the switchbacks are so tight. I'd hate for that thing to topple over. I'm gonna look at it on the way back, but man, that would make quick work of this. Stay tuned. You never know what the future holds or what we're getting into. Keep putting them comments. Hell, you might as well hit the like button too. Just all part of it.